Did you hear the story of the 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. Went to check their eyes, went to check their eyes. The doctor gave them spectacles. The mice could suddenly see very well. They thanked the doctor and said a farewell. The 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. Went back to their home, went back to their home. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who screamed and ran for dear life. The mice had already hidden her knife. The 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. They bought some medicine, they bought some medicine. They put the cream as they sang a song, and back grew their tails so long and strong. They all were happy and lived a life long. The 3 blind mice. That was a curious tale. See you next time. Hi kids, let's do Rig-a-Jig Jig. As I was walking down the street, down the street, down the street, a very good friend I chanced to meet. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig jig and away we go, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We clapped our hands and stomped our feet, stomped our feet, stomped our feet. We clapped our hands and stomped our feet, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We jumped up high and came back down, came back down, came back down. We jumped up high and came back down, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig jig and away we go, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We climbed on a train and tooted the horn, tooted the horn, tooted the horn. We climbed on a train and tooted the horn, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Kissed my ma and hugged my pa, hugged my pa, hugged my pa. Kissed my ma and hugged my pa, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig a jig jig and away we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hi kids! Meet my friend Mr. School Bus!
Hi, Bob. Why don't you join me on the way to school?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round on the way to school.
Look, Bob. They're planting seeds over there.
Plants will grow up green, 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 green. Plants will grow up green, green, green on the way to school. There's Polly helping old Mrs. Hubbard. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street, cross the street, cross the street. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street on the way to school.
Isn't that nice? Everyone's helping clean the park.
Let's keep our town all clean, 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 clean. Let's keep our town all clean, clean, clean on the way to school. Good deeds make me feel so happy. Good deeds make us smile, 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 smile. Good deeds make us smile, smile, smile on the way to school. Wasn't that fun? See you soon next time! Hey kids! Let's go to the zoo with Bob the Train! Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow, and we can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the elephant with the long trunk swinging, great big ears and a long trunk swinging, snuffing up peanuts with a long trunk swinging, and we can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See all the monkeys, they're scritch, scritch, scratching, jumping around and scritch, scritch, scratching, hanging by the long tail, ha, ha, ha. And we can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. There's a big bear, he's a huff, puff, a puffin'. His coat's too heavy, he's a huff, puff, a puffin'. Don't get too near the huff, puff, a puffin', or you won't stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Well, the seals in the pool all honk, honk, honkin', catching the fish and honk, honk, honkin'. Little tiny seals all honk, honk, honkin', and we can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Well, we stayed all day and I'm getting sleepy, sitting in the car getting sleepy. Home already getting sleepy, 'cause we have stayed all day. We've been to the zoo. So have you. You can come too. We've been to the zoo.